Welcome to this quick and easy recipe for garbage bread, a delicious and versatile meal you'll love. Here's what you'll need: 1 pound of pizza dough, 1 pound of ground beef or your preferred protein, 1 cup of shredded mozzarella cheese, half cup of shredded cheddar cheese, 1 cup of marinara sauce, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, half teaspoon of onion powder, a pinch of salt, a pinch of pepper. Start by preheating your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit and lining a baking sheet with parchment paper. While the oven is preheating, cook the ground beef in a skillet over medium heat. Break it apart as it browns, then season it with garlic powder, onion powder, salt, and pepper. Once fully cooked, drain any excess grease and let it cool slightly. On a floured surface, roll out the pizza dough into a rectangle about 10 by 14 inches. Spread the marinara sauce evenly across the dough, leaving a 1-inch border around the edges. Sprinkle the mozzarella and cheddar cheese evenly over the sauce, then add the cooked beef on top. Roll the dough tightly from one of the shorter ends, folding in the sides as you go to seal the filling. Place the rolls seam side down on the prepared baking sheet. Then use a sharp knife to make a few small slits on top to let steam escape. Bake in the preheated oven for 25 to 30 minutes or until the bread turns golden brown. Remove it from the oven and let it cool for 5 minutes. Slice into 1-inch pieces and serve warm. And there you have it, delicious garbage bread that's easy to make and perfect for any occasion. Try it today and let us know what you think.